Mastering might, your key to expressing possibility. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into an important aspect of English language learning: modal verbs. Specifically, we're exploring how to use the word might to express possibility. So, buckle up and get ready to amplify your English language skills. Might is a modal verb that we often use to indicate something is possible. We usually use might when we are not sure whether something will happen or not. It's less certain than will, but more certain than could. For instance, consider this sentence: "It might rain today." Here, might is used to express that there is a possibility of rain, but we are not 100% sure. Might is fairly straightforward to use. It's always followed by a verb in the base form. Let's check out a few more examples. I might go to the concert tonight. She might not come to the party. They might have left early. Notice how might is used in the negative form in the second example. When negating, might not is added right after might. You can also use might in questions to ask about possibilities. The structure is simple: might plus subject plus base form of verb. For instance, might I borrow your book? Might we stop for lunch on the way? But remember, using might in questions can sound very formal. In everyday conversation, people usually prefer can or could. And there you have it. We hope this lesson has illuminated the use of might for you. Remember, practice is key. Try to use might in your conversations and writings when discussing possibilities. Thank you for watching and keep practicing until our next video. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to mastering the English language.